I'm here with Mark Russell from Focus Taekwondo. Now, my kids attended some of the sessions there. They had a great time, and I noticed that you had a lot of the young people helping a lot of the other young people. Can you tell us a little bit about why that's important?
Yeah, I think it teaches them early on about leadership, and I think it gives them the confidence as well to do that, and you learn so much more from teaching people than you do from just doing it as well. So yeah, that's why I tend to get some of the younger black belts, So I wouldn't. If it's a class of like 5 years old to 8 years old, then I would maybe have some of the 12 to 16-year-olds coming in and helping the younger ones, because it's good for them as a role model to see that they can achieve that as well. Because when they look at an old guy like me, there's no understanding there, or there's no connection really. So I think it's good to have somebody that they can aspire to that's round about their age,